Hi guys, welcome to another video. This one is for the people out there that want to remove BBC News or any BBC channel. It says recent, don't ask me why the BBC is up there because I haven't watched it. I'm currently on the home page, Samsung TV Plus. So I'm on the home thing here. In here, these icons. So let's say this one is BBC, because I've already done it, okay? So you hold the select and keep it down, and as you can see below that, it has come up with remove. And all you do is then scroll down, select remove, and that will vanish. But now in the past, there used to be an app page, and you could go onto the app section and you could uninstall apps. Now, it doesn't seem that there's an app section on this TV, and doesn't matter where I go, I haven't been able to find it, but I have found how to delete channels. Let's go back to Samsung TV Plus via the app. When you press the channel list, you can get either the Samsung channels or the Terrestrial. And there's a channel filter here. I'm not actually going the way I did earlier, but look at this down below it. Here, edit channels. So we can actually now select both the BBCs there, even that one, and any other BBC ones that might be up there. There's probably some others, but they're the main ones. BBC Three is one I was thinking would be quite handy, but I have to find it later. And then we go to the right there, and we go delete. Right, if you delete this channel, you will need to perform a channel scan, what have you. So this is actually deleting them from the terrestrial list, because it's channel type. If you look on the left there, it's TV. If I select it, I've got radio. So I might even be able to delete the radio as well. So why not? Radio 1, yes. It's radio 2, radio 3, radio 4. BBC R5L, all these BBC radio channels, Asian Net, BBC World, there's a hell of a lot. I'm going to delete this as well. I've actually noticed on, I think it's Alexa, to listen to BBC, you've only got to register with BBC Sounds online. So I've deleted them. Now I don't know if there's any on the Samsung listings, but yeah, if you want to go down and remove any of these channels, this is how you do it. So I hope this video has helped you.